In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Google Docs document to Files app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Docs app. Here, as you can see, I got a lot of files, and let's say I want to save this document to my iPhone internal storage. First off, guys, we need to tap right here at these three dots next to file name, and then tap at send a copy. On the next step, we need to choose a format. We can switch it from PDF to Word, and then just hit at OK. And once our PDF is prepared, we can use any of these options to share this file. We can use AirDrop, Messages, we can send it via email, we can save it to Notes, we can use any messenger, any social media platform where we can attach a file, let's say Telegram or maybe Gmail. However, if you just wanna save this document to your iPhone, you need to tap right here at Save to Files. After that, we need to choose a destination for that file. I'm gonna save it on my iPhone. If we hit at Browse, we can choose two main folders, iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. So I'm gonna select on my iPhone, which means my iPhone internal storage, and then I'm just gonna save it to Downloads folder. To continue and to save this file, we just need to hit at Save. Now, guys, we can close Google Docs, and then we need to go to Files, then on my iPhone, and then Downloads. That's where we can easily find PDF file we have just downloaded. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.